Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, so everything's been very quiet yet again this week. Been working on a strategy here for Forex. So what you're looking at is the last 12, 18 hours of trades. This is what my system will pump out for myself. This is really usually pretty private, but I thought I'd put it out there just for fun. Show you what kind of stuff it's trading. Here's the overall performance of this thing. It's what I'd say barely profitable, but it's profitable. Compared to the crypto strategies, nowhere as profitable. This one, for this return, rate of return, is without leverage. So in order to get similar performance, looks like you'd have to put it up at around maybe 50 to 100 times leverage, which is pretty crazy. But this is the interesting stat. Winning loss ratio of 74.5%. The P&L is higher. I'm not going to argue that. But these are the sort of trades that we've got going on. So everything really does come down to timing. Everything is based around a variety of things. So you will find that it's very rare. I don't think you even have it. Maybe this pair right here, the Swiss franc and Japanese yen cross, was traded. So you will not find a lot of trades on the major pairs unless it's something political or newsworthy, where it does affect the currency pair. So before I forget, I just wanted to let you know that I will be doing a webinar on this in detail on Monday. Today's Friday, so we're looking at the, let's see here. So I'm going to say the 25th, Monday, yeah. So we'll do it that 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my usual webinar stuff at that time. But there's a couple of noteworthy things I want you to take away from this. And also that webinar will be on the quantlabs.net page on Facebook. So that will be live again on the quantlabs.net page on Facebook. Just go to facebook.com/quantlabs.net. And so it'll be 7 p.m. Monday. But going back to this on the pairs, you'll see that there's not a lot of major crosses like the euro, British pound, US dollar, Canadian, or Australian. It's mostly a lot of these off the, I don't even want to call it. Well, they're not the majors. Let's put it that way. The euro, Swedish krone, the European Czech, US dollar against the Hungarian, US dollar against the Thai baht, the US dollar against the Norwegian krone. You can see here, it's really, the profit seems to be in the Eastern European currencies, or depending upon the time of the major capital flow. So if you look at the Asian ones, there was the Swiss franc and Japanese yen. We also, the day before, I did see a lot of Hong Kong dollar when the Fed Chairman Powell came out and started talking about the dovish outlook on the Fed. The Hong Kong dollar went crazy. There was these combo trades, but it still lost money. So I do think that this strategy is worth hanging on to because of the win-loss ratio. But right now, I also think that it could lose money. Just so you know, I'll put up another video on yesterday was the lowest day for cryptocurrency trading since mid-December. I haven't looked at but it was barely over 1%, and it was negative for a long time. But I do believe it came out positive. And I looked at today, it's back up to around 4 or 5%. So I'll do another video on that and talk about this Forex versus the current crypto, but it's using the same trading logic. So it works. It's just, as the asset class itself, it's questionable. And this is all on Oanda. where volume is a major factor for this to work as it is with the kind of win ratio that it's getting at 74.5%. So I just wanted to show you this. The potential of this thing is there. We will talk about it in greater detail on Monday. If you're planning to expect a video playback, I can guarantee you there will not be a video playback. That will be exclusive. After the recording, we'll go back into my Elite archive for all my Elite members. So that's pretty well that. And I do think that this, I'm not going to change it. I did tweak it for about 2 days, and I found a combination that I like. I've talked about the debugging capabilities to find the tweaks. So again, that works. I don't know why people don't do it, but that's okay. It's not my money, not my time. So there you go. I just wanted to let you know that this seems to be pretty good. And we shall talk to you later.